Following declarations are by order of one Sir Terry Covey, Dean Pastor of the Baptist Church of Twin Oaks. All visitors are welcome contingent upon strict compliance of all ordinances set forth within Twin Oaks Baptist Church, beginning with the completion of your attendance record located in the pew in front of your person. All prayer requests of members and visitors alike are encouraged. Return all said requests to the local prayer box located outside the main sanctuary doors upon completion of today's services. This Wednesday of the forthcoming week, the 20th day of March, on the premises of Twin Oaks Baptist Church at precisely the 7th hour past noon, a communion service will be offered with a live dress rehearsal of the Passion play, His Life for Mine, to follow. All visitors and members of Twin Oaks Baptist Church are welcome to attend. This Saturday and Sunday of the forthcoming week, the 23rd and 24th days of March, on the premises of Twin Oaks Baptist Church, at precisely the 3rd and 6th hour past noon, live performances of the aforementioned Passion play will commence. Public proclamation of said performances is highly encouraged. Public invitation notices are supplied on one resource table located in the west sector of the worship building, along with a single copy in the public bulletin document. This concludes all declarations at this time. Prepare for the public weekly reading of the Holy Scriptures and the collection of weekly giving.